So the embossing chest is the same. So firstly, we want to see what is the location currently of the embossing chest. So now our engineer put in the chest, and he want to see what is the current location of the chest and the material. After knowing where is the correct location, our engineer will lock the female plate on the correct location. Somewhere like this. And it's a honeycomb with a 6 millimeter of the size of the screw and a 15 millimeter of the distance between holes. So we are locking the female plate. This chassis also can do the embossed hot stamping. So this is a heat resistant, not heat resistant, but heat sustainable chest. Okay, so firstly, the female plate is ready. Now we will stick the double-side tape on the male nylon plate. The thickness of the hot stamping plate and the embossing female plate are 7 millimeter. And for the embossing male plate, nylon plate, usually is 1 to 3 millimeter. So we are sticking the double-side tape on the back side of male plate. Need to be very precise. And then you put the lower chest directly on the upper chest, and then the glue will stick on the chest. And it is the same as other machine. We put the embossing chest into the flatbed station. And then it's a locker for lower chairs. Actually, there's a 4 locker. 2 side here, 2 side the other, two the other side. Extra 2 at the other side. Okay, and the last one. Okay. And then we need to set the pressure. In the preset mode. And then we move the station up. Increase the pressure. For each knob location, you can see the sign plate here. And then you will turn until it touch. Okay, so the male and female touch. And because the design of this plate, you cannot give very high pressure. If you get a very high pressure, then a very small area will be destroyed. So you need to be not too much, but not. So you need to be good, not too much, not too less.切2次直接走走看。可是没有搜索电影哦，有刚刚搜索过了啊。Okay, so now because we have already searched before, so now the registration is okay. Okay, so the pressure is not enough. Then you give extra pressure. So now we are setting the pressure like this. So between preset mode and second pass mode, if you now you're in the second pass, if you go to the preset to move the table up and down only, and then go back to second pass, you don't need to original position again. You just run the machine, then it is okay. Okay, so now we will carry on doing something like this several times to ensure that the pressure is good. And if location is incorrect, then this is for the angle. Now this is for across the way adjustment for the location. And for the small location, you adjust by button here or button here. And for the big location difference, okay. So now our engineer will show. So firstly, you measure how much different. You measure how much different. And then you input the number into here. Okay, and then you can run directly. When you run, the swing will do tiny adjustment, and then you run. Okay, so for the big area adjustment, you go main touch screen here, and then you input this number. And then you get a bigger adjustment for along the web. If you are using smaller adjustment, you can do by button or by arrow on the touch screen. So there's an arrow on the touch screen. So for this location. So now we are seeing which is the better location for the embossing. So now you keep doing this kind of a action until it is in a precise location.